I'm going to guide you through a Trust Wallet account setup. First off, let's download an extension for our Trust Wallet here. Let's go with Chrome. Now let's open up Chrome like this and then tap on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension just like this. Now wait for it to download. Now once it's downloaded, you'll see an account like this, right? Now you just want to click on Create a new wallet. Now on here, you will have to create a password. Let me make one real quick. Once you have made the password, click on this. I have read and agreed to the terms of service. Click on Next. Let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. Now, one here, just scroll down and click on Share Data if you'd like, but I'm just going to click on No Thanks. And then that's it. Your wallet is ready to use. Click on Open Wallet and you can see this is it. We have our wallet ready and up and running here. This is our account. You can have multiple wallets as well if you'd like. If you'd like to see some of the other things you can earn, you can say history, and there's also settings here if you'd like. And you can see this is what it will look like, and that's it. You're done. This is your account up ready to buy crypto as well.